Hello and welcome again to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to remove a logo. Here I have this logo here. I want to block it out so that it doesn't show anymore. So here is my video. Here's the video, my timeline. As you can see, the logo is there. Okay, let me stop it. Here I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro C6. So I want to remove this logo. So what do? I go here, title, default. I could name it, but let's just leave it as that. So I click OK. So here is the logo. So I want to block it out. So I pick this rectangle block here, and then I stretch it over, press down and drag. Okay, so it's covered now, but it's white. I need to make it a color that will fit into this background, background. So what do? I go here, click, and it looks like something like wine will be ideal. Can you see here you have wine? So uh, you keep you click on anywhere here where the color you desire is. So okay, should we leave it at that? Okay, so here's the color that will come up. So I click OK. Now you see it had changed to this color. So you could change it to any color you desire. So there, that logo is blocked out. So I go here and click the X button. So now we have it here. So you now have to drag this box across to where the video is and put it here. And since the logo runs through the whole video, so we have to drag this to the end. So now let's take a look. Let's play the video and let's see. Can you see? The logo is blocked out. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please click the like button, and I sure will soon make another video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.